Jason, there's so much going on here. So tell us what's going on.
Okay, so the root of this is this assault that occurs back in 2013. This guy named He Huang hits another guy named Jian He. Jian He sues He Huang and ultimately ends up getting a judgment against him for about $450,000 because he perforated his eardrum and gave him PTSD. But in the middle of the legal proceedings, it later emerges that He Huang sold his house, transferred it over to his son for $1 and natural love and affection. And so Jian He goes to collect his money, there's nothing there. So he goes back to court, and that's how this kind of situation ends up there. So what later emerges is that the couple who sold the house tried to argue that it was Chinese custom, because their son was getting married, for them to transfer all of their belongings basically over to him, and that also as part of the same custom, he would have to look after them into their old age basically and take care of all their finances because they had absolutely nothing left to pay off Jian He because they'd given him all of their money. So the judge looks at this and says, well, that's kind of ludicrous. I have no evidence that this is Chinese custom whatsoever. And also, the marriage never happened. The relationship between his son and this woman from China fell apart after 6 months.
Wow. Okay, so what happens to the house now?
Well, so basically, the judge has ordered that the courts look at it as though it never happened, so that Jian He, after all these years, this is 11 years after this assault happened, can finally claim the $450,000 that a court had said he was due because of this assault.
Well, $1 for natural love and affection for home. Wow. Well, thank you so much, Jason.
Thank you.